Can you send that to me?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, let me know when you guys are ready, and we'll get started.
Hold on, her phone blocking me. I gotta get closer too.
Okay.
I'm ready. Not you.
So,
You good?
Sorry. All right, go ahead.
okay, ready?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna go over the skin and the structures of the skin. First, we're gonna go over the major layers, right? So the skin is made of two major layers. You have the epidermis, which is the top here. Then you have the dermis right under it. And then you have a subcutaneous layer, which is called a hypodermis, right? So from here to here is the epidermis. From here to here is the dermis. And then from here to here is the hypodermis. Then the epidermis itself, on its own, has 5 layers, right? You have the stratum corneum, which is this top layer here. You have the stratum lucidum, which is this transparent yellowish layer here. You have the stratum granulosum, which is this lighter, this darker blue here. That's the stratum granulosum. Then it gets into a lighter blue, which is the stratum spinosum. And then this last one, the bottom one, with the little cells, which look like a wave, that's the stratum basale, right? So stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, and stratum basale, right? The stratum lucidum, it's important to remember that you only find that in thick skin, only in the palms of your hands and soles of your feet, right? Then again, the dermis is divided into 2 layers as well. You have the papillary layer, which is the top, and the reticular layer, which is the bottom. Now, within the dermis, you have lots of structures that we're gonna go over. So we're gonna start with this one here, which is the hair bulb. It looks like a light bulb, sort of. Then you have the hair follicle, which is here. Then you have the hair shaft. Then you have the sebaceous gland, which is this. This is also a sebaceous gland. By the way, this is an open model. This is a closed model of the same thing. So the sebaceous gland produces oil or sebum, right? And then you have a merocrine gland, which produces regular sweat. It's a sweat gland, right? You have a specific type of sweat gland, which is not shown on this model, but it is shown in your lab model, which is the apocrine gland. And the apocrine gland produces pheromones. And you only find it in the groin region or the armpit area. The regular merocrine gland is found everywhere in the body. And then you have this, which is the erector pili muscle, also known as the pilar erector muscle. This gives you the goosebumps. It raises the hair on your skin. Then, did I mention the Meissner corpuscle? Okay, so the Meissner corpuscle is also known as the tactile corpuscle, which is this. It gives you the sensation of light touch and temperature sensation. And then down here, you have the Pacinian corpuscle or the lamellated corpuscle, which gives you the sensation of deep touch and vibrations. What else? These are called dermal papillae. That's about it for this. And am I missing something?
The hypodermis, the tissue?
The hypodermis is the subcutaneous tissue here, and it's made of adipose tissue, which is fat, and areolar connective tissue.
And then you said the hair follicle. I don't think you did hair shaft.
The hair shaft is the portion that you could see here coming out, sticking out, is the hair shaft, right? And that's it.